Today we are going to draw a super cute monkey, and we are going to begin towards the top of our paper, and I am going to do the shape of a heart without closing the bottom of the heart. So on the bottom of the heart I'm going to do almost like a teardrop or a raindrop, and this is where the monkey's eyes are going to go. So I'm going to do big eyes, big curious eyes. Okay, and give him some eyebrows. We want to make him really cute. This is going to be his nose and mouth, so I'm going to give him nostrils so he can breathe, and a nice happy smile. Okay, now I'm going to do the outside of his head, and I'm going to give him some big ears. One here and one here. Now we're almost done. So on the bottom I'm just going to do his body coming off the edge of the paper, or in my case off the edge of my dry erase board, his belly, and maybe I can have his tail coming up. He's got a long tail, and if you want you can add some trees in the background. And if you want those trees to have branches or leaves maybe, you can do that as well. And there you go, cute little monkey.